In this session, we would be learning about the all function in Power BI. How does that work? We have this table. Okay. First of all, let's create a measure. So I'll click on new measure. Let's say we want to calculate the sales for all the years. Okay. So let's create this as all. Initially, I need to use the calculate function. Within the calculate function, I need to provide the expression. What is the expression? What is it that we want to do? We want to do the sum. Okay, we want to do the sum of what? Sum of the sales amount. So I will select the sales amount. Until here we are okay, but afterwards the next thing that we want to do is we want to use the all function. Now I'm using the all function. Okay, and when I say all function, I need to provide the table or column native selling returns all the rows in a table. Now I need to provide the argument. So first of all, let us understand why do we use all function. So we use all function to remove the existing filters if any. So let's say if I'm using this all function for year column, what will happen? Existing filters will get removed. So we have used the all function. So but you may not be still clear कि how exactly it works. What do you exactly mean by removing the existing filters? So let's have a look at that as well. Let's understand exactly what it means to remove the existing filters. So what I will do, we will create one small visual and try to understand that quickly. So I will take this bar chart, and within this bar chart, let me have the, so we will take product at x-axis, we'll have sales amount at y-axis, and this is how it looks when the visual is created. Now to filter this, I will need the slicer, so I'll quickly take the slicer, and within this slicer, I'll take the year. So here, select add data, and I'll select the year. There are 2 years, 2021 and 22. I will go to slicer setting and make the style as vertical list or tile. So let us make this as a tile, and so see, if you, the moment I select 2021, the data is being reflected for this particular year. Okay, now let's create one more uh, no one more chart. I'll take another column chart like this. And this time around, what I will do, within x-axis, I will add. So if you see for the previous one, what we have done, in the previous one, what we have done is product at x-axis and sum of sales at y-axis. So again, I will do, again, I will have product at x-axis, but at y-axis, instead of having the sales amount, I will take all year sales. So let's see if that actually removes the filter or not. Not now what I will do, I'll just, so that it looks visible, so that it becomes visible to you, I'll make slight formatting changes. I'll just quickly on the y-axis make the values, no, values should be bigger, right? So display unit should be 1000, not a problem. Okay, I'll add, so now I'll quickly add the data labels. Okay, and data labels values should be, let's say, 12. Okay, now similarly I'll just copy this thing for this one as well. Now let's compare. Okay, if you can see, now I'm applying the filter. 2021 filter is applied. What it is showing me, it is showing me for all this. See the first graph, it is reflecting for both the years. Now I selected just 2021 and it is showing only for the 2021 year. Now if I select just 22, it is showing the data just for 22, but these filters are not getting applied to this graph. See, even if I'm changing, it is not getting applied. Why is it that happening? It is happening because we have used the all function, and as I said, it will remove the existing filter. That's why these filters are not getting applied. So that's what I meant when I said that existing filters will get removed. So I would request that you also please practice it. I'm sharing the data set also. And as I always say, do not just watch these videos. It's important that you practice. Thank you so much for watching.